Guys, now show you how to connect ContentStudio to your YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe for more ContentStudio tutorials. So look into your ContentStudio account, click on the profile picture here. We'll find all those menu, the social accounts button. Click on it or link. Click on it now. We'll find the connect social account button. Click on that and select from the list here YouTube. So click on YouTube. Click on the plus button. And just shows your YouTube account. This shows my try YouTube account. This YouTube account is only for tutorials. So select YouTube account. Click on continue to allow access and select all to grant all the permissions. Click on continue. And they should ContentStudio should now connect your desired YouTube channel. Just click on save and here it is. Click on save and you're good to go. Your YouTube channel has been successfully added and connected to your ContentStudio account. And this is pretty much it, guys. Your work is done. If you found this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and just leave a comment.